Hi guys, it's Dan here, and EA have released rare packs, rare gold packs, and I have a few points I just put on, so wish me luck. First pack, I'll be able to open 3 with FIFA points, and I'll see how many coins I have left over. Hopefully I get a good player, or a team of season maybe. Benteke, no, it's not what I wanted. That's a discard pack, almost. No, I'll do my usual and sell the contracts. So not a good start. Benteke's not a bad player, but he's not a team season, he's not worth much, so I'll keep that. And the rest can go. Make sure I get the right one. Okay, here we go. Second pack. Come on. Give me someone good. Even worse. Squad fitnesses. Yeah. So not a good pack again. Last pack on FIFA points. For these special ones anyway. Here comes the ball. And I get... Okay, so David Villa. So that wasn't very good at all. They were not good packs. Just sell the consumables. It's not good at all. That might be worth something. But the rest, I'm afraid, goes. Okay, I can open 4 packs, just normal premium packs. A couple of FIFA points and a couple of coins, so we'll just see how the FIFA points goes first. Oh, that's rubbish. 2 league modifiers. You have a laugh. Scott Carson. The Turkish league and the Dutch league. That's rubbish. I'll skip this one. Ah, that's rubbish as well. Another discard pack. My pack luck has been terrible today. Bring me Messi again. Courtois and Mata. Get in. That's a good pack. Thank you, EA. Finally, you give me 2 good players in 1 pack. I haven't had that in a very long time. Okay, so Courtois sells for quite a bit of money. Not really 7.5k, but then I have Mata to make up for it. I'll just start 1,000 and watch the bids go up. I hope Mata's still worth at least 20k. No. I'll start 15. See who goes for him. But that's the equivalent of 2 packs, so it's not bad. My Mata's a good player. Actually, I'll start at 10. And the rest can go. So that was a good pack. Hopefully I can get another good pack. Come on, Messi, appear in my pack. No, that was crap. Oh, one of the rares was a silver. No, what did I just do? Shit. I'll apply that on my goal. Oh yes, not World Cup game. I don't play this anymore. Damn it! I sold a squad fitness for 250. Shit. Yeah, it's probably gone. No way. Oh, they've gone. So there we go, that's the end of that pack opening. Juan Mata and Courtois, and that's about it. And kits, contracts, a modifier, another contract. So yeah, it wasn't too good. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe.